How to make Ronaldo in Infinite Craft. First of all, we add earth. Then, add wind with earth, it will become dust. Add wind with dust, and it will become sand. Combine sandstorm with sand, and it will become a dust storm. Another sandstorm will turn it into a dust ball. Add water to the other side. Then mix dust with water, it will become mud. Add mud with dust ball, it will become a mud ball. Add football, and it will become a boot. Add water, and it will become a swamp. Add fire, and it will become a dragon. Add wind, and it will become a tornado. Add fireball, and it will become a volcano. Combine volcano with volcano, and it will become a mountain. Add football, and it will become a goal. Another goal will turn it into a trophy. Another goal will become success. Add football with success, and it will become a trophy. Add football again, and it will become victory. Another football will make it a trophy. Add soccer, and it will become a champion. Another soccer will turn it into Ronaldo. Now you can see Ronaldo has been created. That's the way to make Ronaldo in Infinite Craft. If you want more videos like this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.